Are you feeling weaker lately? But you can't explain why. You're not alone. Many seniors start to notice that walking up the stairs feels harder, lifting things is more tiring, or their balance just isn't what it used to be. The surprising truth? This isn't just old age. It's a condition called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And it starts quietly, often after age 51, without any warning signs until one day, even getting up from a chair feels like a workout. I remember a patient of mine, Mr. Clarence, a 68-year-old retired teacher who came into the clinic with a cane, something he swore he'd never use. "Doc," he said, "I walk every morning, I eat okay, but lately I feel like my strength is just disappearing." He hadn't injured himself, hadn't changed his routine, but his muscles were shrinking, his balance felt off, and he admitted that even opening jars or standing for long periods felt exhausting. After some basic assessments, it was clear. Clarence was experiencing moderate sarcopenia. Like many older adults, he hadn't realized that losing muscle wasn't just inevitable, it was preventable. He assumed staying active was enough, but the reality is, after 60, the body needs more support to hold on to strength. Not just movement, but the right nutrients, especially protein and muscle-specific compounds. The good news, Clarence's story didn't end with a walker or long-term limitations. Within just a few weeks of incorporating targeted natural foods and simple powders into his daily meals, combined with some gentle resistance exercises, he began to feel stronger again, less wobble in his walk, less fear of falling, more confidence, more independence. This episode inspired today's video, where I'll reveal 6 foods backed by science that help rebuild muscle, improve energy, and restore mobility after 60. You don't need expensive supplements or extreme workouts, just real, accessible solutions that work. If you've ever felt like your body is aging faster than your spirit, stay with me. This might be the turning point you didn't know you needed. What if you could start feeling stronger in just 7 days? According to Dr. Helen Crawford, a leading expert in aging and functional nutrition, the solution to age-related muscle loss isn't found in expensive supplements or grueling workouts. It's already in your kitchen. Dr. Crawford explains that after 60, many people assume muscle loss is irreversible. But the truth is, your muscles aren't gone, they're just asleep, and certain everyday foods can help wake them up. By adding specific nutrient-rich items to your daily meals, you can jumpstart muscle recovery, boost energy, and improve balance without ever stepping into a gym. Her research highlights that small changes in diet, done consistently, can bring back strength and confidence in just a matter of days. No fancy powders, no extreme regimens, just real whole foods that target the root cause of weakness, sarcopenia. So if you've been feeling a little unsteady, tired, or weaker than before, it's time to take action. In today's video, we'll show you exactly which 6 foods to add to your plate to help restore your strength and keep you active and independent, no matter your age. If you're over 60 and feeling weaker, slower, or more tired than usual, whey protein could be the missing piece your muscles have been waiting for. You've probably heard of it before, maybe seen it in the hands of young gym goers. But here's the truth. Whey protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's a game changer for seniors. As we age, our muscles naturally begin to shrink, a process called sarcopenia. That's why simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair start to feel harder. Your body becomes less efficient at rebuilding muscle, especially if it's not getting the right type of protein at the right time. This is where whey protein shines. It's one of the most bioavailable sources of protein, meaning your body can absorb and use it quickly and effectively. Even better, whey contains all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which plays a direct role in muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and grow muscle. Multiple studies have shown that seniors who consume whey protein regularly experience significant improvements in strength, balance, and energy, often within weeks. Whether you're walking around the block, doing light gardening, or simply trying to prevent muscle loss, adding whey protein after these activities can help speed up recovery and strengthen your body. And don't worry, you don't need a blender full of artificial powders. Look for whey isolate or grass-fed concentrate with minimal ingredients. Mix it into a smoothie, stir it into oatmeal, or blend it with almond milk and a banana. Just 20 grams a day can make a world of difference. Bonus, whey protein also helps control appetite, supports immune health, and helps stabilize blood sugar, three critical factors for aging well. If you're someone who struggles to get enough protein from food alone, or if your appetite has dropped over the years, whey protein is a safe, simple, and powerful way to nourish your muscles without expensive supplements or complicated diets. Start small, stay consistent, and rediscover how strong your body can feel again at any age. As we age, every ounce of muscle matters. And when it comes to preserving your strength, mobility, and independence, scallops might be one of the most powerful and delicious foods you can add to your plate. These tender shellfish aren't just a gourmet treat. Scallops are packed with high-quality protein that's easy for the body to absorb, especially important for older adults whose digestive efficiency naturally declines over time. But what really sets scallops apart is their abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, the same heart-healthy fats found in salmon and walnuts. For seniors, omega-3s are more than a heart booster. They help protect your muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and speed up recovery after physical activity. Research from Spain's Institute of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly consumed omega-3 rich foods retained up to 12% more muscle mass compared to those who didn't. That's a significant difference, especially considering how muscle loss, or sarcopenia, can accelerate after age 60. With less muscle mass, daily tasks like standing from a chair, climbing stairs, or even carrying groceries become more difficult and exhausting. Scallops provide a lean source of protein that helps rebuild and maintain muscle fibers without adding excess fat or cholesterol. Just 3 ounces of cooked scallops deliver more than 20 grams of high-quality protein, making them a smart, muscle-friendly choice for dinner. They're also incredibly versatile. Whether you pan-sear them with a touch of olive oil and garlic, or add them to a fresh salad or veggie stir-fry, scallops cook quickly and bring restaurant-level nutrition to your kitchen. Plus, omega-3s help improve joint mobility, reduce stiffness, and even support brain health. A win-win for seniors looking to stay sharp and active. If you're over 60 and noticing slower recovery after activity or a decline in physical strength, scallops are an easy, effective, and flavorful way to fight back. Include them once or twice a week and combine them with other nutrient-rich foods, and you'll be supporting your muscles, joints, and energy levels, all in one bite. Cherry juice, the sweet secret to stronger muscles and better sleep. If you're over 60 and dealing with lingering muscle soreness or slow recovery after light activity like gardening or walking, you might be overlooking one of nature's simplest and most powerful remedies: cherry juice. This vibrant red drink isn't just delicious, it's backed by science as a genuine ally in fighting age-related muscle decline. The magic of cherry juice lies in its rich concentration of anthocyanins, potent plant compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds actively combat the everyday wear and tear that comes with aging, helping to reduce inflammation in muscles and joints, and speeding up recovery time after physical activity. In fact, a study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that people who regularly consumed cherry juice recovered muscle function 24% faster than those who didn't. That's a massive boost, especially for older adults looking to stay active without the usual aches and pains. But cherry juice does more than help your muscles. It supports your sleep. It naturally contains melatonin, the hormone your body uses to regulate its sleep cycle. A glass of cherry juice before bed doesn't just help you drift off easier. It helps your body enter deeper, more restorative sleep, which is essential for overnight muscle repair. And as any health expert will tell you, quality sleep is one of the most overlooked keys to physical recovery and longevity. Whether you drink it chilled in the afternoon or warm before bedtime, cherry juice is a low-effort, high-reward addition to your daily wellness routine. Try choosing tart cherry juice with no added sugars, and consider pairing it with a handful of nuts or a slice of whole grain toast for a balanced snack. It's a simple change, but one that could have a lasting impact on your energy, mobility, and comfort. So the next time you feel a bit stiff or sore, or just want to sleep better, reach for a glass of cherry juice. Your muscles and your future self will thank you. If your energy fades halfway through the day, or you feel your legs tiring faster than they used to, the answer might be on your plate. As we age, maintaining muscle strength isn't just about lifting weights. It's also about choosing the right fuel. And one of the best sources of steady muscle-supporting energy is often overlooked: starchy vegetables. Foods like sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and regular potatoes aren't just comfort food. They're powerhouses of complex carbohydrates, which provide a slow and stable release of energy throughout the day. That means no more sugar crashes or energy slumps in the afternoon. For older adults, especially those over 60, this consistent energy is essential for keeping your muscles working, your balance steady, and your stamina strong. But the benefits of starchy vegetables go far beyond energy. These root-based veggies are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and beta-carotene, all of which play a crucial role in fighting inflammation, rebuilding damaged cells, and promoting muscle recovery. Vitamin C helps your body repair tissue, potassium supports proper muscle contraction and heart rhythm, and beta-carotene, converted into vitamin A, boosts immune function and overall vitality. A report from Harvard Medical School noted that adults who regularly include starchy vegetables in their meals are more likely to maintain muscle mass and experience fewer issues with fatigue or mobility loss. That's because these vegetables support your metabolism, recovery, and cell health, the very systems that weaken with age. Need a simple way to get started? Try roasting sweet potato wedges with olive oil and a pinch of cinnamon, or mashed pumpkin with a touch of nutmeg for a delicious, muscle-friendly side dish. You can also swap out white rice or bread with boiled potatoes for a more nutrient-dense alternative. In short, starchy vegetables are not just carbs. They're tools for muscle strength, recovery, and longevity. So if you're looking to power your body and protect your independence as you age, make room for these colorful, satisfying vegetables on your plate. Your muscles will thank you. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. Buckwheat is a powerhouse food for seniors looking to stay strong. While it might not be as trendy as protein shakes or exotic supplements, this ancient grain is loaded with the exact nutrients your aging muscles need to stay functional, energized, and resilient. First things first. Buckwheat is a complete plant-based protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. That's rare among grains. And for older adults, especially those looking to maintain muscle without relying solely on meat, this makes buckwheat a fantastic addition to the diet. Even better, buckwheat provides long-lasting energy without the blood sugar spikes and crashes caused by refined carbs like white bread or pasta. Its complex carbohydrates break down slowly, delivering a steady stream of fuel to your muscles, exactly what you need to keep up your stamina throughout the day. It's also rich in magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals that play key roles in muscle recovery, relaxation, and immune support. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and release properly, reducing cramps and soreness, while zinc supports muscle growth and tissue repair. A Harvard Medical School study found that seniors who included buckwheat in their diet experienced up to an 18% increase in muscle strength over 3 months, simply from choosing a smarter source of energy and protein. Another bonus? Buckwheat is naturally gluten-free and easy to digest, making it ideal for those with sensitive stomachs or gluten intolerance. You can cook it like rice, use it in soups, or add it cold to salads for a hearty, nutty crunch. Some seniors even enjoy it as a warm breakfast porridge topped with fruit and cinnamon. If you've been feeling more tired, weaker, or slower to recover from physical activity, buckwheat could be a simple, natural fix hiding in plain sight. It's affordable, easy to cook, and full of muscle-supporting nutrients. Start with just 1 serving a few times per week and pair it with leafy greens or a lean protein like fish or chicken. Over time, your muscles and your energy will thank you. If you're over 60 and looking for a simple, natural way to regain muscle strength, start with your refrigerator. One of the most underrated superfoods for seniors is something you've probably walked past 1,000 times at the grocery store: Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained more thoroughly, giving it a thicker texture and a much higher protein content, around 15 to 20 grams per serving. But what makes it truly powerful for older adults is its high casein content, a slow-digesting protein that continues to feed your muscles for hours. This makes it an ideal evening snack or addition to your dinner, as it helps your muscles repair and rebuild while you sleep, a time when your body naturally goes into recovery mode. But the benefits don't stop there. Greek yogurt is also loaded with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that support a healthy gut. And for seniors, better digestion means better nutrient absorption, which is especially important if you're trying to get the most out of every meal. A healthy gut can also help reduce bloating, improve bowel regularity, and even support your immune system. And here's something even more encouraging. A study from the University of California found that older adults who consume Greek yogurt regularly experienced a 15% increase in muscle strength within just 8 weeks. That's a big win from a small daily habit. Want to maximize the benefits? Try Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra omega-3s, or mix in some berries for antioxidants and flavor. It's not only delicious, it's also a complete muscle-supporting meal in a cup. Whether eaten at breakfast, after a walk, or as a post-dinner snack, Greek yogurt is an easy, affordable, and proven way to support strength, recovery, and digestive health. So if you're tired of feeling weaker than you used to, this small but mighty food might just be the secret to getting your strength back. One spoonful at a time. In today's America, more than 1 in 3 adults over 60 is silently battling muscle loss, fatigue, and reduced mobility. It's not just about aging, it's about independence, quality of life, and the ability to enjoy each day with strength and confidence. The condition is called sarcopenia, and unfortunately, it's becoming more common than ever due to modern lifestyles filled with processed foods, sugar, and sedentary habits. But here's the truth. Losing muscle doesn't have to be a part of aging. We've seen too many seniors in this country forced into early dependency, not because of illness, but simply because their muscles were not getting the support they needed. That needs to change. The 6 foods we shared today, cherry juice, Greek yogurt, starchy vegetables, scallops, buckwheat, and whey protein, aren't miracle pills. They're not flashy trends or expensive supplements. They are accessible, natural, science-backed solutions you can start using immediately. And they work, not in months, but often in just a few weeks. Each one supports your body in a unique way, whether it's by providing high-quality protein, reducing inflammation, improving recovery, or simply giving your muscles the fuel they've been missing. With the right choices, you can start walking easier, sleeping deeper, and feeling more energized, without extreme workouts or complicated routines. This is more than a health tip. It's a call to action for seniors across America. If you're over 60 and you've noticed it's harder to carry groceries, get up from the couch, or keep up with your grandkids, don't wait until it gets worse. You don't need to surrender to weakness or loss of independence. The tools are in your kitchen. Now is the time to take your strength back. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below telling us your age and which of these foods you're planning to try first. Share this video with a friend or family member who needs it. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel, Longevity Way, for weekly tips on natural health, senior fitness, and nutrition advice tailored for adults 60 and up. Let's build a stronger, more independent generation of seniors, starting with what we eat. Stay strong, stay informed, stay in control.